Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Canva to build YouTube channel branding, full guide step by step clearly. To install Canva, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Canva and press enter. Click on the official Canva website link that appears in the search results. Once on the Canva homepage, look for the sign up or login button at the top right corner. If you don't have an account, click on sign up. You can sign up using your email, Google, or Facebook account. If you already have an account, click Login and enter your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you will find various templates and design options. To create YouTube channel branding, click on the search bar and type YouTube. Select YouTube channel art from the drop-down menu. You can also explore other options like thumbnails, logos, or video graphics. Once you select an option, you'll be directed to the design interface. Here, you can choose from a variety of templates. Click on a template you like to start customizing. You can add your channel name, logo, and any other text you want. Use the toolbars to change colors, fonts, and images. If you want to upload your own images, click on the Uploads tab on the left. Drag and drop your images into the upload area or click the Upload button. Once your images are uploaded, you can use them in your design. Make sure to preview your design to ensure it looks good. When you are satisfied with your branding, click the Download button in the top right corner. Choose your preferred file format and click Download again to save it. Now you have your YouTube channel branding ready to upload to your channel. Canva also offers options for continuous editing if you want to come back later. Congratulations on creating your YouTube channel branding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.